Today we are at ITC Maurya and this is my room tour again, and I'm also the first time to see it. As usual, bathroom se shuru karte hain. Oh, it's small, but then it's sweet enough because it's ITC Maurya. Even if it is small, they'll put their class on. Come see this bathroom. This is actually my size. जब भी मैं Maldives वाली जाती हूँ ना, मैं literally डूब जाती हूँ. But this I can actually stay on without knowing how to swim. Then come to, okay, there are not many closets. Again a bar. I hope this time इसमें alcohol. Okay, again an empty bar due to COVID reasons. आजकल लोग बार में कुछ सामान नहीं रखते हैं. And then here comes back to my room for another a day this time, by the way. And ये हमारे soft like, oh my god, ITC experience. This story for some other time. Why I have a back pain. ये हमारा bag है. And here comes my babies, Vishamba, Pratap, and Fatima. Yeah. And I am here always for TV, and it's on. Dear guest, welcome us with a namaste. Welcome to New Delhi, please. Again, to write back your imagination and get ready with a mirror. As I say, I'm a natural beauty. I don't need makeup. And this is the antique. I like the color. Come here. Then I'm showing you the pleasant view from ITC Maurya exclusive. I always have this problem. This is Delhi for you. Delhi, Meri Jaan.